Removing the tail fin from a KC-135 is not done very often. In fact, Master Sergeant Jason Otto of the 185th Air Refueling Wing Repair and Reclamation Shop says it has never been done at his home unit in Sioux City, Iowa.
In my career and being in the AR shop since 2003, we've never done this. We were told, and actually when we were going through schooling and everything for the tankers, that if you see this in your career, it'd be a once in a career thing.
Because of structural damage to the rudder, the determination was made that it would be replaced. That required that the entire 25-foot tail would need to be removed. Airman First Class Mark Van Voorst was tapped to help tip the tail. Van Voorst is non-prior service and only recently joined the military while in his late 30s. He said there are a lot of things to consider before tackling a job this large.
Just the sheer size of it.
While new to the military, Van Voorst said his age and civilian experience allowed him some confidence when confronting the giant for the first time.
You needed to be good situational awareness and be aware of your surroundings and make sure to be patient, take your time and not rush it.
Van Voorst's supervisor, Master Sergeant Daryl Newman, said he helped remove a tail from a KC-135 once before during a deployment. Newman said that tipping the tail is an extremely unique opportunity for someone like Van Voorst.
It's really good training for all of us. I myself have been doing this for 17 years, and this is only the second time that we've removed a rudder or done a fin fold. To get to do something like this at the beginning of your career is amazing.
Not unlike an episode of Monster Garage, these KC-135 mechanics in Sioux City experienced a few setbacks, but once they had the parts they needed, they were ready to go. Within just a few hours, the repaired tail was tipped back up and the Stratotanker was airworthy once again. In Sioux City, Iowa, I'm Senior Master Sergeant Vince DeGroat, Air Force News.